Z1, some of your stuff is going on to a 1982 F-250 utility truck. Well done. Alright everyone, it is the day we're putting the carburetor back on Donkey Bonker. I decided not to take the intake all the way off right now. I just want to put it back on, see if it's running better, and then we're going to go from there. I'm not too worried about the intake leaking oil. It is what it is. Also, I have a little helper today. This is Mr. Carrot. He's confused because we have a massive hole in the fence, so he can't be out. No, he'll chase squirrels into the woods, won't ya? Yeah. But he's a good boy. So yeah, got the carburetor. I'm gonna get the camera all set up here and we will be on it. So some of that touch-up work I did to the valve covers turned out like shit and it looks worse than it did before. But I'm not gonna worry about it, you know, whatever. It's a thing. All right, so if you all remember from last week's video, I had taken care of this and sealed off the EGR port, if you will. Wow. So the only thing I am worried about here is this gasket. I don't have another one of these for whatever reason. The rebuild kit only came with one of these gaskets, and the other one is on the carburetor. So I'm just gonna reuse it. Come on. And on there. Oh, god damn. This thing's tight. Fuck, I don't want to. Be careful I don't break it. Like that. That's all right. It has squish back in. Could be a really big problem. And that is gonna hook on there. All right. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to attempt to start Donkey Bonker back up again. I have the new fuel filter which I've been needing, and I did some more research into the vac lines. It looks like I can remove pretty much all of it. So that's what we're going to do today. And then we're going to try to start it and see how that goes. Can't say my confidence is too high about this right now, but you know, it's Donkey Bonker. Let's get to it. my power steering cap flew off, and it's back down there. Well, that's weird. What I got from the parts store, you know, more of these little guys, and I also got, you know, the stuff to fix potentially the thing that needs plugged over there and down there. So first things first, I'm gonna start with these and get the rest of that stuff plugged up. Then we're gonna jump into figuring out this muffler weld shit. It's gonna kind of mix this stuff up a little bit here. It's a little wonky. It's gonna go right on this thing. All right, let's Roadkill would be proud. Zip my zip time moment of the day. All right, these are some fucked temporary fixes, you guys. But you know what? It's gonna run. I'm gonna get this out of here. I'm gonna get the charcoal canister out. Those are definitely things that need to well, shit. That's just rusted and broken. Check that out. Well, there we go. That's charcoal canister. Like, what? Charcoal canister is out. That's some rust. All right. It's bright. It's bright. It's bright out. All right. So, Donkey Bunker lives. Seems like the carburetor rebuild was successful. She's idling a lot better. I might be detecting a slight miss, but then again, carburetor tuning isn't, you know, it's whatever it was when I took it off the car. I really didn't mess with it, so, you know, she may not be running fantastic right now because it's probably been tuned for other things in the past when the carburetor was running like shit. You know, we can start in on some other stuff here on Donkey Bonker because apparently it's fine now, and I can move it again so I'm not stuck in my driveway. It's something you don't want. You don't want like a freaking 2-ton or more behemoth of a utility truck stuck in your driveway without power. Especially when you got other cars in front of it that work. Anyway,